can you tell me more about STEAM? So what do you find, considering everything that you're doing, I can appreciate what you're doing as far as the work for the government, and I know they do. Now let's look at STEAM. So is there a transference of some of that insight and knowledge into your STEAM programs, or can you tell me more about that?
Yeah, for sure. So just to tell you a snippet about the mission of Strong Ties. So Strong Ties name comes from network theory. So there's weak ties, there are strong ties. So the whole idea is for the population that I hope to reach, which are oftentimes marginalized students. My goal is to provide a network and also resources and also knowledge so that they can form these what we call strong ties so that they can get what they need quickly. Okay, so you could think of that as your inner circle. So taking the weak ties and bringing them and making them strong. So that's where the name came from Grandivetter's work in terms of triads. Then the next thing is, so what do we do? So we started off literally by helping students to understand app development and gaming and coding. And then over the 10 years of our service, this is 10 years that we've been doing this. We served over 6,000 students directly, over 5,000. I think it's 500,000 indirectly or something like that. And that's led to a great impact in students either engaging or even going into STEM fields or STEAM fields. We use the arts as a big underscore in all that we do to make sure that we take what students know to give them what they don't know. That's our philosophy in a nutshell. And what that looks like is everything from gaming to teaching them the back ends of gaming. The front end is pretty, to me, oftentimes pretty clear, but understanding what goes into the physics engines, what goes into coding, and being able to actually do state kind of machine type of programming for gaming. That has led to also virtual reality, augmented reality. We've worked on projects. One of our focus areas right now and one of our contract agreements is with National Geographic to help students to understand sustainability and environmental issues as it pertains to STEAM. They can use technology and other ways to actually solve problems that are close to their home that impacts even the globe. So those are some of the things that we're doing. Like I said, we have worked with students in definitely artificial intelligence, but we start off by what I call AI literacy, and that is helping students to understand basic things like networks and adjacency matrix, data science, understanding the world that they live in.